The only way to cure leukemia is by cooperative research. The European Leukemia Net provides a platform for research in clinical trials and also in laboratory research for every leukemia specialist across Europe and also worldwide. They cooperate on various projects and they cooperate within trials, and the achievements of the network over the past 8 years are considerable. Particularly if one considers that 8 years ago there was a considerable fragmentation of research activities, there was lack of coordination, of interaction, and there was ill information on the size of the problem. Meanwhile, many of the projects have been published in high-impact publications, and we have management recommendations and guidelines for virtually every type of leukemia and for most interdisciplinary specialties. The European Leukemia Net strives to increase cooperation also to North America and East Asia, and the symposium, which is a central part of the platform for common research, will be financed for the next 5 years by other means when the money spent by the European Commission ends.